We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT as a video editor. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website where ChatGPT is hosted. Once you're logged in, you'll want to start a new chat with ChatGPT. Now, here's the trick. ChatGPT isn't a video editor in the traditional sense, but it can help streamline your video editing process by generating scripts, offering editing tips, or even suggesting creative ideas. Begin by typing in your video requirements. You can ask ChatGPT for help writing a script by providing it with details about your video topic, tone, and length. Once ChatGPT generates a script, review it and make any necessary adjustments. You can also ask it to suggest scene transitions, background music ideas, or even video titles and descriptions to enhance your content. If you need help with technical aspects like learning shortcuts for popular editing software, just ask ChatGPT for tips on using tools like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. It can provide step-by-step instructions for common editing tasks like cutting, trimming, or adding effects. Remember, while ChatGPT can offer guidance and ideas, you'll still need to use dedicated video editing software to apply these suggestions and make your final edits by using ChatGPT as a creative assistant. You can speed up your workflow and add a new layer of creativity to your video projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.